Welcome to Dockside Inn and Suites. This is one of the sister resorts at Universal's Endless Summer Resort. We are in a 2-bedroom suite. As you enter, you'll see there are 2 queen beds. We've got kind of minimal storage here. There's these three drawers. There's not a lot of space, so not the best if you are an overpacker like me. You might need to live out of your suitcase. There is a TV here. I'm intrigued by these little hooks. I think they're more for decor because I do not know what I would hang on there. We are in Tower 2. Not the coolest view, but we are close to the main lobby, which means we are close to the buses. So I'm good with that. All right, if we're thinking about charging devices by these 2 queen beds, this is all you have between the 2 beds. So we've got 2 plugs, 1 USB. It does have an alarm clock, but that's all we've got for charging abilities here. Around the corner here by the phone is kind of the same. We have the 2 normal plugs, a USB, and then a C USB.